Hey guys, NIC with another daily recap here. As you can see, it's 12:30. However, I actually stopped the day around 10:40, something like that. I got stopped out as I lost back half my gain. However, today is still a small green day. And the reason why I only post a recap now is because I was preparing the header. As you can see, it's the weekend now. So yeah, I'll try to make this short if I can. I know always I say I'll keep it short and the video still end up around 10 minutes. So let's see if I can make it under 7 minutes this time as I'm within the header. So okay, so oh no, the first, yeah, I think SPC. Oh yeah, today I was telling myself to only watch 4 tickers or less because I checked my trading journal. My days are only, as in most of my green days are when I traded 3 or sometimes 4 or less tickers, so that's why I limit myself to only 4. So SPC was on the watch. I think I was skeptical about it previously. Didn't expect it to have any power for any big move, but it proved me wrong. I watched it around near the VWAP area. Yeah, at this period of time, I was thinking like, okay, maybe it shouldn't be able to make that much of a move, and it's probably because of past experience of SPC. Made me quite skeptical about it, but it proved me wrong. This is a pretty nice move, I would say, around $10. Yeah. Well, which I didn't see. This was the 4th ticker on my watch. Okay, so ALF is the first ticker on my watch. Pretty nice. Added here for the break, sold here, added here, sold here, and I start to see a descending triangle. So added here, got stopped out here, and I thought it would be done for the day. Then it curled to wedge back up really strongly. So added here when it passed this descending area, sold here, added here, and sold here. Yeah, this whole period I felt I could have played better. Like because Monday was a cold market, Tuesday was cold, Wednesday was hot, Thursday was cold again. So it's pretty hard to adapt. And I find quite hard to adapt. Like at here, it was pretty perfect. As you can see, I took most of the profit that I could, and also like left earlier than as in I left way earlier, which is a good thing instead of leaving here. So yeah, just that moves like this, I wish I could have let it run further. Got here, sold out here, got here, sold out here. Wish I could have took a bigger move, but that's just how it is. I mean, small greens is better than not. Then it comes this, so added here for it to break. Then seems like it's not ready yet, so I got stopped out here, consolidated and went even further. But yeah, this just have to went up without me. The reason why I'm so careful about ALF is pretty choppy. However, today was a really nice move. However, I wouldn't touch it anymore since this I got caught at the last one. Where is it? Is it this? Yeah, I think it was this. I lost 80 cents on this move, so in a way I lost back half my profit today. Last week was a great week. This week was, I would say, it's a break-even week, and today was a small green day because of this. It would have been a bigger green day if not for this 80 cent loss. 80 cent loss, but that's just how it is. So yeah. Other than that, GRVI was second on my watch. I think I only traded near the open. After a hot up, added here for it to break, it didn't. Then sold out here, then I start seeing a descending triangle. Added here for it to break or hold here, which it didn't. This is one I didn't trust myself enough. I remember at this period of time I was telling myself like if it's consolidating so low at this high price, psychologically speaking, people will want to sell off since this 4 uncertain candle. So psychologically speaking, most people will say, okay, I'm out. So and since they're unsure, the dips will not be brought back up so much, so it flashed so hard. I remember at this candle I was telling myself that this could happen and I didn't trust myself enough, so I had to pay for it. I didn't touch this after that. So other than this is OSMT. I think I only touched the pre-market. Yeah, this is what I meant. Today was, despite the really good open market ALF trade, today was a small green day. I mean, it's supposed to be a nice green day, but he ended up break even because of the 80-cent drop for ALF, and also this stupid shit I did at the pre-market. Added here, wrong. Added here, so some here, which is pretty okay. Then I added here, sold off here, and the open I tried added here, seeing it's pretty choppy. I see it went down, got back up, so I added here for it to try, and got stop out here. Then basically didn't touch this stock at all, thankfully. So yeah, that's 3 out of 4 tickers. I realized as I say, most of my days where I have a green day, I only traded 3 to 4 or less tickers. That's why I'm only doing that for today. So I didn't touch the other tickers, and also because it's Friday, I wanna let's have a good mood going to Friday. So yeah, EMC didn't touch it. Didn't catch my 50 feel again. So okay, nothing much. Other than the EMS, it did try 3. Yeah, so pretty bullish about it. Probably let it play into the weekend and see how it goes. AMBO nothing much. I want it to reach 2.6. PT around 2.9. No. SND I want to see go back to 1.4 again, but that will probably run off AMC, so I expect AMC needing to hit around 65 to 67 before SNDL might go for another bullish run. So activity short last week was red, this week was break even, I'll say, and Monday was so usually when the market is hot and cold, then I tend to win and lose. So, I mean, there's nothing rocket science. So Monday I lost, Tuesday lost, Wednesday small green, Thursday lost. I don't. Actually, I can't remember, but seeing out my current equity balance, this week is a break even. I would say, like just a small, like $100 last gain. So I would say that's just a break even for this week. So yeah, hopefully next week will be better. Seeing how the market is, hopefully can continue. We are starting to see more follow through. Like Monday, Tuesday, most of the stuff doesn't have follow through, so you will like go here and dip back down. It's nice to see some follow through here, although it's MC, but I'm referring to like you see SPC and also ALF, some decent follow through. Still holding at this level, so but I got stop up today already since I lost back half my profit. Okay, so it's the weekend. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Take your mind off and try not to think about stocks. Don't bother touching crypto or anything. Hold on. Okay, sorry. So I was cut off just now. What I was trying to say is, yeah, take the weekend off. Like, don't think about crypto. Don't think about stocks or anything. Just better for your mental. So go enjoy, have some great food. And let's say you're in Singapore and you're able to dine out now. So yeah, maybe have some Korean barbecue or something. Take your mind off. And I'll see you on Monday. Remember guys, stay safe and trade safe. Peace.